it is permissible to use a plug and receptacle hookup on 400 watt or 1000 watt high intensity discharge 480 volt single phase lighting fixtures fed through a remote contactor, subject to certain conditions. The National Electrical Code, Section 410.3b, allows the use of cord and plug connections for portable lighting fixtures, including high intensity discharge fixtures. The National Electrical Code, Section 410.3c, requires cord and plug connections to be accessible for servicing. The National Electrical Code, Section 410.83b, requires high-intensity discharge fixtures to have a disconnect device located within sight from the fixtures. There are additional safety considerations to keep in mind. The plug and receptacle must be rated for the fixture's current and voltage requirements, either 400 watts or 1000 watts at 480 volts. The plug and receptacle must be suitable for the environment, for example, indoor or outdoor. The contactor must be rated for the total load, that is 54 times 400 watts or 1000 watts, and be located within sight of the fixtures. The contactor must be fed from a 3-phase 480 volts delta power source with a high impedance ground to prevent shock hazards. The wiring and connections must be made by a qualified electrician in accordance with the National Electrical Code. Regular inspections and maintenance should be performed to ensure the safety and functionality of the system. The Ohio State Electrical Code does not explicitly prohibit the use of plug and receptacle hookups for high-intensity discharge lighting fixtures, but it does incorporate the National Electrical Code by reference. Therefore, the requirements and conditions outlined in the National Electrical Code also apply. In conclusion, using a plug and receptacle hookup on high-intensity discharge lighting fixtures with a remote contactor is permissible under the National Electrical Code and the Ohio State Electrical Code, provided that the specified safety requirements and conditions are met.